step into the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 6.6-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 97.8, chrome grille, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights and dust sensing headlights. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.